Hello guys, I am back. Here we go with the peach cobbler. I'm going to be putting these ingredients. We have brown sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract, butter, and 2 cans of peaches. I'm going to be putting those inside of this pot. As you can see, I have some things already in there. I have all those ingredients that I just named off except the peaches. I'm going to boil those up, and when I boil those up, then I'm going to put them inside of a pie crust and turn it into a cobbler, and I will show you that in a next video. We still have our noodles boiling. We're going to be putting everything in that pan. We still have everything warming up here in the oven. And I added in some more things here. I added in some onion. I added in some garlic salt. I'll get that. Okay. And I just stirred everything in, and I'm just waiting on the noodles. And I'm going to pour all of this inside of here with the noodles. And then I'm going to put a little bit of cheese over the top, and I will bake, and I will show you that outcome in a bit. And I'm getting this started as we speak. I don't know if I'm going to put this in a frozen pie crust or if I'm going to make homemade. We haven't decided as a class. They're putting all the things together. I'm kind of organizing it and doing the cooking part just to let everybody know the process. We have things sitting and cooking and moving around as I speak. See you in the next video.